Hi everyone, it's Winsome back with another origami, and today we have a fun origami. It's actually in two parts, but I'm putting it into one video because it doesn't seem that long, and I absolutely love making flower origamis. Today we're going to be making the Carnation. It's super cute. I absolutely love it. And since this origami uses two pieces of origami paper, using two colors is definitely recommended because it'll be so much fun and look so cool using two colors. So starting off with, we are first going to fold a fish base. And how do you fold a fish base? So first of all, you will need to fold the origami paper diagonally. And then you're going to fold the other side here towards the center line, like so. Awesome. And then the next thing you're going to do is fold this tip to the top, but not at the front, backwards. So you might want to flip around for this and fold it to make your life so much easier. Awesome. And then you're going to flip it back around, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull this out and line up this side with the center fold and squash it down as neat as possible, like so. And then repeat that on both sides, obviously. There, and then the next thing you are going to do is fold this, take this flap and fold it down. It's kind of like opening it up and flip it around, and this is your fish base. So now that we've made the base, we're going to actually flip it back round, actually making sure that it's this way round, and then we're going to flip it back round. We're going to fold either side here towards kind of not the center, but kind of halfway between the center and the other corner here. We're going to attempt to make sure we fold it as evenly as we can. So lining this up. And then you're going to repeat on the other side and try to get it as even as possible on both sides. So yeah, after some fiddling around, finally got it to be even on both sides. And then what we're going to do is flip it around again and fold the bottom, the tip down. About this much. It doesn't have to be that accurate. Yep, so about this much is fine. And then taking these flaps, we're going to, these two here, we're going to fold them out like this and try to get both sides as even as possible. Yep, like that. We just folded both those sides out. And if we flip it around, we've now got our stem for the flower, which we can put to the side for now. And then the next part we're actually going to fold is the carnation, the flowery tip itself. And yep, grabbing another piece of origami paper. What we're first going to make is the helmet base, and to do that what we first have to do is fold it diagonally in half like so, and then simply what we're going to do is fold each of these to the top tip, each one, yeah, folding left and right to the center. There you go, awesome. And then that is our helmet base. So then next thing what we're going to do is rotate it around the right side like so, with the flaps like this. We're going to turn it around and fold either of these sides here to the center and try to get it as even as possible, even though we don't have a marker for it. Yep, like so. And then we're going to fold this back out to the edge. Like so, like that. And then we're gonna flip it back round to the other side, and we'll fold the edges here to the center, which completely flips the model from the other side on to one. Yep, it should look pretty and even as possible like that. Then simply what we're going to do is do a, what do you call this? A mountain, a valley fold. Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting my folds. A mountain fold. Taking our pair of scissors, we're going to cut diagonally, if that's not diagonally, like a triangle. So cutting it close to the top. Oh my gosh, this is hard. We're just going to cut. Yeah, after some hard work, finally cut that bit off, which we can discard, and we can open this up and look at how pretty it looks. Mine's a bit jaggedy because I struggled so much, but yeah, here's your pretty flower. And then what you want to do is fold it in half and fold it in on itself, like following the lines here, like so. And then we can insert it into our stem finally. I think you might need some tape for it. But yeah, here is your pretty flower with a very long stem. Actually, would definitely recommend using some glue tack or something, because I don't get how they were able to insert it without like, yeah, let me get some glue tack. Yeah, here's your pretty flower after much struggle. I think it's mainly just been struggle on my end. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed that origami. Write a comment below what you thought about it. Like this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I'll be posting in the future. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.